Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to do another slow cooker recipe. So we're going to make Thai style pork chops. So I'm pouring out the rest of the pork chops. I got, I start cleaning this because it's got a little white. I'm going to chop the. We just got one red pepper. So we got one capsicum because I say red peppers. So capsicum is probably red peppers. Just cut it. So I might just go. Take the seeds out. So I'm just going to. Yes, look how she stinks of them. These knives needs to be cut properly because they're quite hard to cut. Alright. I don't need gas until next week. No. So I'm gonna get grease. It says lightly greased the slow cooker. So I'm just gonna use butter because our house stinks of petrol. My brother's car has decided wants to stink up the. Yep, that's all greased in now. So I just greased it with. I just used butter. I'm gonna put the frozen. I'm gonna put actually do it again. We're just gonna put it in here. Hopefully it's fucking fit. And then we're gonna put the red peppers. Well, we call them capsicum here in New Zealand, but probably. And then so we're gonna make so we're gonna place the red peppers, the red pepper flakes, garlic, rice vinegar and teriyaki sauce in a small bowl and mix again and pour over the pork chops in the slow cooker. So I'm just gonna shake it in. Doesn't tell you how many. I didn't really chili. What's next? Chili flakes. Okay, we got garlic because we always go through a lot of garlic. So I'm gonna get a teaspoon. So how many? It says cloves, but we're just going to use garlic, crushed garlic. Okay. It says how many got crushed, so we just got. Okay, I'm going to use 1, 2. Rice wine vinegar. So it says 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to use the same. Would I use 1, 2? So, I'm probably just going to use the same. So we got teriyaki marmalade. So I open this, I'm going to pour. Because I think we probably cooked it. Okay. I'm going to stir it together, mix all the, so mix it all together, and we're going to pour over the pork chops. And then so we got, so we put it in here. So we're going to sit down. So we're going to turn it on. So we're going to put it on low. So we're going to put it on low setting for 8 to 9 hours into a tender, carefully removed from the slow cooker and set it aside to keep warm. So for 9 hours. Oh yeah. So we're just going to put the peanut butter. So we're going to. I don't know how many peanut butter. I don't know. Get the whisk. Oh, that. No, I've got the other one here too. That's all right. And we're going to put it back. And I'm going to put the. So we're going to put the pork back. Usually. And then. And back put it, I'm just going to put it on high. So. Thank you for watching how to make Thai style pork chops. I'll write the recipe down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.